was my stomach. That wasn't even my boob. Come on. Come on.
Now I'm recording.
Ow! Oh, no, you didn't. Don't mimic me. Did you hear that? Stop it. Kiss, kiss. Ouch. I think you do that on purpose.
There you go.
What is it?
Give me a kiss.
Kiss, kiss. What is he doing?
You know it.
Hello? Hello? Love you. What is he doing?
You do it to me all the time. Don't worry about it. I love you.
But, like, I don't know what to do.
I don't know. Most of the time, he just say, I love you.
I love you.
His food's probably in his mouth. Can you see it?
I don't want to see it. I want it to go back down.
It will. He don't let it out. But he love you, so he want to feed you.
But I don't want it.
You don't want to eat it?